Hi guys, today I'm home. I already told you I'm gonna try to eat healthier when I'm home. So what we're going to cook today is a tikka masala, my own version of tikka masala. I'm gonna chop these fresh vegetables and some onions to start with. Brought some creme fraiche and of course the butter and the chicken. So first things first is to prep all the vegetables and then we'll start cooking. The onion. Chop the onion in small pieces. Okay. Here. You'll see it much better. Oh no, almost half of the onion is gone. Still need to do something with my chopping techniques. Of course, I need this bowl to put all the ingredients. Let's chop this into smaller chunks, smaller options. Wait up, can you see it? I think so. Voila. Wait. It's fine like this. It's fine like this. Chop this up in smaller portions. Here's the secret of curry. A lot of onions. Makes me cry, makes me cry. Just cut it into smaller pieces. Okay. Okay, that's it. Next, the tomatoes. But we can already turn the heat on. Melt some butter and then put these two ingredients first. Next, the tomato. Also the same procedure. Cut it into smaller pieces. One more. Okay. Always wash your hand before cooking. After this, the butter. Okay. Slow down the heat. Slow it. not too much heat. And then just a portion of the butter. Oh no! Yucks. Okay, we'll put the onions first. The onions. Cook it slowly. Okay. What a beautiful smell. Yep. Stir it. Yeah. And then put some extra ingredients. What do we have here? We have paprika, this bell pepper powder. Yep. And what do we need? Garlic powder. A lot of it. Pepper. Some chili peppers. Some. Not too much. And we have ginger powder. We can use this one. We can use this one, ginger powder. Put it on. Oh no, no, it's fine. Mix it up. Put the extra ingredients. Voila. Slow heat, and then put a couple of fresh bell pepper in it. Fresh. Just a portion of it, because the rest we will put it as a decoration very last, but a small portion of it. So we have some fresh bell pepper in it. That's it. This one. Just cut it into small pieces. We are gonna put it in the blender anyway, so don't worry about it. Okay. Okay, we'll just wait until it is cooked and soft, and then we'll put it in the blender. I'll come back to you later. So we're almost done with this. It's already soft. We'll transfer it to the blender, and then we'll blend this out so that we have a smooth paste or smooth sauce. And this one, we're just gonna boil it for just a couple of minutes. Wash it with cold water so that it will stay green and crunchy. The beans. Okay, wash the blender. Put it in the blender. We're not gonna need this one anymore. Okay. Put it here. And put it here. Okay. Slow down the heat. Put it in the beauty blender. No, it's not the beauty blender. Ooh, be careful. It's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Okay. Oh no! Dripping. Next, blend it. Next is to fry the chicken. Where is my chicken? And where's my butter? More butter, guys. But it's okay. It's healthy butter. And then after frying all the ingredients, you can finally look. The butter, most portions of butter. And then the chicken. You need to put the chicken there. Cool. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wait until it's golden brown. Well, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna mix all the stuff for you. Now it's time to mix up all the ingredients, guys. The tikka masala Indian paste. I need a spoon. Let's put everything in it. Add some water so you can still take the rest of it. Cool. Mix it all up. And of course this one. Yeah, perfect. How beautiful. Look guys, it's turning orange now. Orangey. Of course, we are not gonna waste anything. Put the rest of it in there. Yep. After this, guys, half of this creme fraiche will go in. Where's my spoon? Yep, half of this cup creme fraiche. Alright, mix it up. Extra fish sauce. And then sugar to make it a little bit sweeter. Sugar. Okay, that's enough. You see, it's not difficult to make tikka masala. You see how thick the curry now is? Oh no, this has to be... Okay, I'll be right back guys for the rest. Well guys, this is the final result of my food today. Cooking some basmati rice to eat with my chicken tikka masala. The vegetables are underneath this sauce, so it will be warm and crunchy later on. This is Robin's dinner. It's a mashed potato with kale and meatballs. And this will be mine. Chicken tikka masala with Coke Zero. I'm waiting for my rice, but we can already start eating.